To another edition of Johnny Investing. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We've got a great show for you today. We're talking about $5 biotech company that could help save lives and be worth billions. Today I want to tell you a little bit about ImmunityBio. Stock symbol IBRX. Stock symbol IBRX. It's on the NASDAQ. And I've been following the stock since it's been about $1.15 back in May 2019. As of today, July 2nd, 2022, it's $3.99 and it may break out. So ImmunityBio is basically about transforming these biological technologies into really innovative treatments, that could really improve a lot of lives of people around the world. They're basically trying to leverage the body's immune system to clear diseases. They got a market cap of about 1.5 billion, and I'm thinking it's going a lot higher. So I love these companies with outstanding leadership, and really I look for companies that have super teams. I'm all about those teams, big team players. Super teams is what I'm really excited about. Steve Jobs once said, great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. Well, ImmunityBio definitely has a great team. So let's take a look at their leadership. Over the last 2 decades, they basically had this executive chairman, global chief scientific medical officer, Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong, MD. He's been investigating mechanisms to activate the immune system to attack tumors that can otherwise evade and escape the body's, defense mechanisms. If you remember, this is the guy that first invented the world's first protein nanoparticle drug. That's right. If you said Abraxane, paclitaxel, you're correct. That's this guy, the microtubule inhibitor, Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong. I mean, this guy is an A winner, go-getter, trendsetter. Today, he's focused on those next generation of immunotherapies. I mean, he's really trying to address those serious unmet needs in oncology and infectious disease. So let's go to the pipeline. I always like to look at these pipelines. He's got a couple drugs in phase 3 trials, which is very exciting. Phase 3, you're one step closer to approval, hopefully approval. And then you got 4 in clinical phase 2 and 3 more in phase 1. And I'm really excited about this phase 2 metastatic pancreatic cancer therapy. As you all know, that metastatic pancreatic cancer, the therapies are just not that great. And that's just oncology. We're not even talking about the infectious disease part. He has at least a phase 1 trial going on in HIV, which is very exciting, and a phase 2 trial going on about potentially neutralizing antibodies. So the pipeline looks very good. Remember, some of these drugs in phase 1 studies, that's where the candidates are still healthy volunteers, healthy people. I know a lot of people sometimes will get confused with the phase 1. How many trials are there before the drug gets approved? If it gets approved at any phase, the study can come back and it's either maybe the dose isn't good, or it may not be efficacious, isn't effective, or it's not safe. So at any point of these phases, the studies can stop. They may have to redesign the study, or unfortunately, sometimes these treatments may not be working. But the phase 1 study, I know there's a lot of drugs he has in phase 1 studies, but that's fine. That's when they're looking at healthy volunteers. They're clinical phase 1. This is a point where they're going to look at the safety of the drug, the side effects, the best dose, the timing of the treatment. So this is really exciting. I really wanted to tell you about this company because I think it's about to break out. Hey guys, that's about all the time we have today. If you're really enjoying the content, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Have a great day.